Do subscribe my channel for improving your listening skills so you can speak fluently after this.
Peacock. Once a beautiful peacock who was all but dancing on a rainy day. While he was busy admiring his plumage, his rough voice reminded him of his own shortcomings. All the joy beaten out of him, he was almost in tears. Suddenly, he heard a nightingale singing nearby. Listening to the nightingale's sweet voice, his own shortcoming once again became very evident. He began wondering why he was jinxed in such a manner. At that moment, Juno, the leader of the gods, appeared and addressed the peacock. "Why are you upset?" Juno asked the peacock. The peacock complained about his rough voice and how he was sad because of it. "The nightingale has such a beautiful voice. Why don't I?" After listening to the peacock, Juno explained, "Every living being is special in his or her own way. They are made in a certain manner that serves the greater purpose. Yes, the nightingale is blessed with a beautiful voice, but you are also blessed with such a beautiful and glittering plumage. The trick is acceptance and making the most of what you have." The peacock understood how silly he had been in comparing himself to others and forgetting his own blessings. He realized that day that everyone was unique in some way or the other.